Hi and welcome to our Facebook group Serious Income. In this group we will show you how you can make profits with your investments in a serious way. Our investment service is built on a robot that trades on the Forex market. This robot is not available anywhere else other than through our service. We started our service in late January this year, but we have actually run this robot for a whole year before we created our service. And last year, 2023, our robot did these results. So the total results of 2023 was 51.23%. That's an average of 3.52% every month. Since we started in late January, we have actually made 14.76% so far. And as you can see, we are already up 3.5% in May, and there are still 10 days left to trade. So what is so special with our service compared to others? Well, we aim for low risk and long-term investments. That means that we are not promising you super high returns. We are focusing on the risk management. We are aiming for 3% on a monthly basis. So once again, welcome to our Facebook group, and don't be afraid to interact in the group. Ask questions if you have any, and hopefully you will be able to take part of this powerful investment opportunity.